the periodic trends properties discussed. So very important 5 marks. So type of the periodic arrangement of elements is based on that atomic radius, ionic radius will be discussed now. Yesterday class is slightly discussed for atomic radius and ionic radius, and depth discussed. How to the atomic radius and identified. Atomic radius defined as the distance between nucleus to outermost cell of valence of electrons is a very important point. Atomic radius distance between nucleus and outermost cell containing of the valence of electrons. So important 2 mark questions. So every atom not possible to measure the isolated atom directly, so except noble gases. Consider the covalent radius or metallic radius is depends of the nature of bond between concentrated atom. Next will be the covalent radius, will be the molecule form intermolecular distance, easily one of calculated for the diameter to radius easy converted. The bond between the sigma bond is called covalent bond is calculated by X-ray diffraction. Example like that, a sigma bond chlorine atom, the chlorine bond chlorine is a sigma bond, it will be the formula diameter of chlorine bond chlorine equal to radius of one chlorine atom plus radius of another one chlorine atom. So diameter of chlorine bond chlorine equal to 2 radius of chlorine atom. And next we will be consider the chlorine atom, the 2 divided the part, the radius of one radius of chlorine atom equal to diameter chlorine bond chlorine divided 2. So intermolecular distance between diameter of chlorine atom 1.98 Armstrong divided 2. So easily measured to 198 divided 2, and the dot function of answer will be 99.0, 2 digit before point digit, so 99 Armstrong. Next, covalent radius. The covalent radius reduced to the except intermolecular distance. Covalent radius always shorter actual atomic radius compared to the atomic radius shorter than covalent radius. The covalent radius individual atom between will be the internuclear distance AB type. This is AA type is also A bond A type, example like that the chlorine is a diameter of chlorine bond chlorine is like that. So something the AB type is like that, example of given the formula, the diameter of A bond B equal to radius of A plus radius of B. The explained by the AB type is also Schumacher and Stevenson. So minus 0.09 is the point defect effect is the electronegativity is consider of electronegativity A and electronegativity B is compared to the B greater than 2 electronegativity A is the Pauling scale unit of radius Armstrong. The calculate the covalent radius, example like that the hydrogen chloride AB type. So AB type, so diameter of A hydrogen, B is a chlorine. So already calculated the experimental hydrogen values is a 1.28 diameter of Armstrong. As a covalent radius chlorine is a 0.99 is the before calculated is the radius of chlorine. So electronegativity scale formula will be applied A hydrogen, B chlorine, and that value is hydrogen chlorine radius is a 1.28 apply, and radius of hydrogen will be calculated now, and that radius of chlorine is a book mistake and new book is also clearly printed, and that radius of chlorine already calculated 0.99, the minus the formula 0.09 in electronegativity of chlorine atom is the permanent value 3 minus electronegativity of hydrogen atom is a 2.1. What is meant by electronegativity? Outermost electrons is the electrostatic attraction, and the repulsive force is also variable attract to the another atom is called electronegativity. Is the gain of one electron is called electronegativity compared to like. So next step is a 3 minus 2.1 means it will be 0.09, and next it will be multiply 0.009 into 0.9 means 0.0881, and radius of fluorine substitute 0.99. The subtract 0.081 means 0.909. So 1.28 is the diameter of HCl plus equal to radius of hydrogen plus 0.909. Will be take the LHS part to the LHS. The given of radius of hydrogen is the value, radius of hydrogen value, subtract 1.28 minus 0.989 equal to 0.317 Armstrong is Armstrong. Compared to the metallic radius is directly same formula is the diameter divided 2. In the given example, the copper 2.56 Armstrong diameter. So copper metallic radius is called divided 2 means 2.56 consider first you will be normal 256 divided 2 1, and next 5 2 4 1 6 8 16 0. The 2 digit will be separate the point. 1.28 Armstrong is the diameter, like that. So the metallic radius can be depth metallic crystal will be discussed for 12th standard session solid state lesson, and very important the concept will be apply of the 12th standard. And next, periodic trend of atomic radius. What is the atomic radius? Left to right, the valence of electron will be added. The added of the proton of the nucleus is the increasing of nuclear charge. Center of nucleus added of protons, the valence of electron will be added. Outermost cell valence of electron increase, nucleus will be proton added, means the nuclear charge increase. So electrostatic attractive force between valence of electrons, therefore atomic radius decreases along the period. Atomic radius decreases along the period. So effective of nuclear charge, the electrostatic attraction force attractive between the nucleus and electrons, the repulsive force among the electron. So what is the inner cells of electrons, and valence of leads to the decreased electrostatic attractive force. So inner cell electron bond between shield effect is called shield between the shielding effect of valence of electron. What is mean the shielding screening effect? The electrons outermost cell effective nuclear charge will be calculated the formula. The Z or the effective nuclear charge equal to Z minus S. Z is the atomic number, S is a screening constant. So you know all that what is meant by calculated screening constant. S and p orbital is the screening effect, shield effect, and consider like that it will be that alpha principle. The Z is a atomic number, S is a screening constant. The Slater rule described to the electronic configuration s orbital and np orbital is the follow that 1s 2s 2p 3s 3p, like that 4s 3d is possible, but the shielding effect is 4s and 4p orbital. The 4s through the attract to the shield effect of 4s 4p. So acted rule, S orbital is the 2 possible, p orbital is 6 possible, to total 8 is based on that 2s 2p 3s 3p 4s 4p 5s 5p is a step 1 is a shielding effect possibles of s and p orbital. Compare the same energy level, like that is called is a screening effect based on calculated of the effective nuclear charge. The shielding effect is present, it will be the group which is the electron interest is present. The electron present right to group those contribute to the shielding effect. Is the conclusion is called the nth cell means S orbital is a screening effect is the nuclear charge 0.30, another cell is a 0.35, Another n minus 1 cell, inner the cell, n minus 1 cell is called 0.85. Further inside n minus 2, n minus 3 is a further inside is a one value, is a permanent values. Consider like that is apply of the scandium. It will be that atomic number 21 will be scandium. Atomic number 21 is the 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. What is the variation of screening effect? The first loss of electrons, 4s electron will be lost. So screening effect from the 4s orbital. So shielding effect is 1s2 completely filled. Pair of 2s2, 2p6 is acted rule 8, and 3s2, 3p6 act at 8, and 3d inner cell. The 4s2 is outer cell. 1 electrons loss is a calculate of effective nuclear charge. So n mentioned to the n cell, loss of 1 electron outermost cell is called a 1 n cell, is compared to the acted rule. Some inner cell is a n minus 1 cell, and the further inside n minus 2 and n minus 3 cell. So nth cell mentions of 1 electron loss will be effective nuclear charge will be calculated. So balance 1 electrons into 0.35, multiply with 0.35 equal to 0.35. And next n minus 1 cell, how many electrons students? 9 electrons present. 9 into 0.85, 9 into 0.85, value is 7.65. and next further inside n minus 2, n minus 3, how many electron? Total 10 into 1 electron, so 10. So calculated of value is called 18. So original atomic number of scandium 21. The effective nuclear charge balance is called 18, is a shielding effect. So effective nuclear charge will be calculated is at atomic number 21, and the shielding effect of values is 18. So 21 minus 18, the effective nuclear charge is 3. Compare like that. The possible shielding effect do not the possible. Compare the 3d electrons. The 4s fully loss of electrons, and scandium 3 plus will be 1 electrons loss. The 3d cells nth cell is called 0, the scandium 3 plus, and compared to the 4s orbital loss of electrons, 3d is a 1 electrons loss. 3d electron effective nuclear charge calculated, 1 electrons is the effective nuclear charge loss. So nth orbital is will be 0 into 3.5. so totally further inside 2 8 10 plus 8 18 into 1, so 18, the same effective nuclear charge, Thank you to all students.